Gross. This is the second soak, by the way. This is why it's good to like really clean your brushes. I left these in the garage used for like 3 days. So I was a little nervous, honestly, about them coming out. This is the second soak. The first soak, I just used my Pioneer Woman electric kettle, and I used my scrubby soap. I just put the whole bar in the bowl. It looks like this. It smells really good too. Yeah, so this is the second soak. I added my brushes. I did put a little Dawn in the first time, but honestly, I don't think it really made much of a difference. It's more the scrubby soap. Then I put this on. When it was done, I added it to here. I let it kind of soak. The first round, I used my handy dandy lice tool, which is actually gross itself. Look, that's just what I pulled out of one brush. It's gross. This is really good. I soaked these for, I'd say, about an hour and a half. And then where they were at least soft and I could kind of run this through. That way it broke it up, the product up a little bit. And then I put them in a second soak. But as you can see, like, that's pretty gross. So, and it almost looks like dirty. But they probably are dirty. So, I mean, you can see how I broke up all the paint using the lice tool. Hot. The water's hot. But it does a really good job at just breaking up that paint. So I figured after the second soak, I may have to do a third one. But this really saves my brushes. I'm horrible at remembering, like, brushes in the garage. And these brushes are not cheap. These are almost $50 a piece. So, I mean, yes, I've had them for years. They're absolutely a good investment. But I'm just horrible at taking care of them, to be honest. So, really good needed soak for my brushes.